Hi there. This is Todd Lyden with the Bladen Community College Small Business Center. We've had people who've been having trouble recently signing up for webinars, and I just want to do a quick walkthrough and make sure you know how to do this. So if you've done this in the past and had issues, hopefully this will answer your questions and make it easier for you. So I'm going to go ahead and here's our website for the where all our listings are. I'm going to pick one that's specifically, of course, online. It's a webinar. And if you click that, you'll see, first thing you'll notice is there's webinar directions right there. So there's a nice little PDF you can pull up to remind you. And if you've not done this before, it'll help you out a lot. But if you have, if you hit register online, and I'm going to go ahead and put my work email so I can register easily. And what you're going to see is, unfortunately, I'm in the system, so this is going to assume that you've been here before. So if you've been here before, it'll take you to complete your registration. It's going to ask you, it says register. If you haven't been here before, it's just going to ask you for demographic information, your email, that kind of stuff. And the main thing is there so we can make sure we get a hold of you if we need to. So hit register, and then it's going to thank you for registering. And here's where the key step where people forget, and you got to hit continue. And what this is going to do is then take you into our webinar platform, which is called Zoom. And then I'm going to use, because I'm a host, I can't use my email. I'll use my personal email, Gmail. See verification. You see there, I just got the pop-up. It got the notification that I've confirmed my reservation through the regular system, but I have not signed up for the webinar yet. So I hit register, and now I am registered for the webinar approved. And you can add that to the calendar there. You can click that and make it pop up for your Google or Outlook or your preference of choice. And then you also have the link there so you can watch it from any computer, iPhone, or even an Android smartphone as well. Zoom's got a very nice system there. And it'll give you reminders every the week before and 1 hour before. So you can see I've got the notification, got the registrations. So everything is set up, and now you're going to be able to log into the webinar anytime you want. And hopefully this answers a lot of your questions. If you do have any other questions and need to have assistance, feel free to give me a call at 910 872-0018 or tlyden, as you saw, at bladencc.edu. More than happy to help you out because we want everybody to get on these webinars.